The way I make my buffalo chicken dip is, first, I get the cream cheese ready to go into the oven to soften it up. I preheat the oven for 350 degrees. Then I shred the chicken, which I cooked in the Instapot for 15 to 18 minutes on high pressure. So usually I don't measure the ranch nor the hot sauce, but at this particular time I was on a low-calorie diet. I used a half a cup of fat-free ranch and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Now I like to mix it in the pan, this pan in particular, just so I don't have one less dish to wash. Usually I'll add more hot sauce if it looks like it needs more. So I put it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes on 350. Now I like to eat mine on low carb whole wheat tortillas. Or you can use chips or French bread. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. As always, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.